Okay, so to install Chime banking app, just tap cat. So this is how it's called. It's 118 megabytes in size, so rather medium-sized app, and yeah, it's free to install. Here you can see some description. So the main features are fee-free overdraft. You can get paid 2 days earlier. No hidden fees, security. Say when you spend. So that's that. And then, so yeah, we can just try to open this app. And then you can apply for this early pay. And then, okay, so that's probably different, but anyways, I think you need to create an account on the desktop and then you'll be able to log in here.